Block 32 on the Erie Canal Waterway. It's a beautiful day for POTA. QRZ.
So you know how I was saying I live in a ham dense area? Look no further. I can't even go out to a park in peace to film a video without somebody showing up to activate it. Hi. There's Jeff operating from the 3 for, that's the Empire Trail there. And then we're in Lock 32 Canal State Park, which is also in the Erie Canalway National Heritage Corridor, making it a POTA 3-fer.
Oh, hey, this is Jeff Fuller. I am KE2ELI here in Rochester, New York. We're at Lock 32, the Erie Canal Waterway. I'm doing a POTA this morning on 40 meters. We're working 7.188 right now with my Yaesu FT857D that got off eBay for a really great price. Logging with World Radio League, which is my current favorite logger, on an iPad mini. So the antenna is a copy of the hex antenna. It's a dipole, currently set up for 40 meters, two 17-foot telescopic whips, and a couple of 40-meter coils I got off AliExpress. The SWR right now is about 1.8.
Hey, I recognize that. This looks familiar.
Yeah, I bought 2 of them.
November 2, Mike, Alpha Kilo.
Kilo Echo 2, Echo Lima, India.
KE2ELI N2MAK at US 2097, 8098, and 6352. QSL?
QSL, I am also on the Erie Canal right now. 097, QSL.
Roger that. Yeah, I think I said 6352, 6532. Oh my gosh. I'm still on my first cup of coffee.
Roger. Well, thanks for the contact, Mike 73.
Roger. Hey, let's try 446 real quick.
Roger. Put on CQ POTA. This
there we go.
Kilo Echo 2, Echo Lima, India, calling CQ for Parks on the Air.
KE2ELI N2MAK, Park to Park, QSL.
Roger, the Park to Park. I'm at Park US 2097, QSL.
Roger. Awesome. I'll let you get back to the radio, and I'll try to catch you on 2 more bands just to make it official.
Roger, thanks, and have a great day.
All right, I'll see you on 40. N2MAK clear. Awesome, that's 6 contacts in the log. I'm gonna catch them on 40 and 1 other band just to make it official. All right, we got the Wolf River coils, 213-inch whip set up with the Sporty 40. And then, yeah, you can see him on the waterfall there. No need to check the POTA spotting page to see what frequency he's on. Let me log him real quick on 40 and maybe another band. Park to Park, November 2, Mike Alpha Kilo.
November 2, Mike Alpha Kilo, Mike in New York.
Roger. Gotcha at all 3 parks, 2097, 8098, and 6532. You are a good 5.9 plus in the left ear and 5.9 in the right.
Roger. My little meter here says 5.9 plus for you. QSL.
Hey, since I need to get 1 more contact in the log, I got a crazy idea. If you know how to push that button on the radio and switch it over to AM real quick, if I could work you on AM, that'd do the trick without having to jump bands.
Roger. Let's do it. CQ POTA. This is Kilo Echo 2, Echo Lima, India, calling CQ for Parks on the Air.
November 2, Mike Alpha Kilo, Park to Park.
I got you loud and clear here, Mike. I've never done AM before.
Awesome. There's a first time for everything. Good to get you in the log again to all 3 parks. Thanks for another mode. This was a very impromptu POTA, as I said in the beginning of the video, and when I saw you, I wasn't planning on doing it, but since you were out here, it was really easy to work you 4 contacts, 3 parks. That's 12 in the log. So enjoy the rest of your activation, and 7-3 N2MAK.
Mike, have a great day.
Awesome.